Okay. Hello, everybody. Uh, Maybe everyone know my name. Everyone knows my name. My name is Hansel Lee. Hansel Lee. Um, can you guess my major? Yes, my major is electrical engineering. Actually, there is only 10% of women in my department, so I have a lot of male friends. Yes, just male friends, but they don't treat me as a woman. I don't know the reason why, but you know. Anyway, we used to go to play billiard, and there is one tradition in my department. Women are, when we drink soju, women are use small glass, and uh, men are using big water glasses. But I had to use big glasses, and even they uh backbite backbite me the another girls in my department. Maybe I think anyway, they didn't treat me as a woman. I think one of the reason is my hairstyle. When I was in Korea, I always my hairstyle is always short hair, and now it's expensive to cut, so I can't. And, anyway, and can you guess my position in my family? I have 3 younger sisters. Uh, uh, yes, I'm the oldest sister, and my my youngest sister is just 14 years old. Yeah. Can you believe it? Most of my friends, they say they don't believe it, because I'm agree with them, because I feel like my second sister is oldest sister, because when I was in Korea, I lived with my second sister, and almost every time she cooked for me. I never cooked. When I came here, I started to cook. Yeah. So, so and I like to take a picture. Yes, I am not about landscape, not about animal, just about people, especially me and friends. I really enjoy taking a picture. I can be happy just taking a picture, and I can happily spend the time just taking a picture. And I also like to make a funny pose in front of camera. Um, my I watched the Next Top Model, American Next Top Model a lot. So I take one of them pose like mother. Yes, but it's funny, like this food. Yes, it's, and last for the last. Oh no, I like black. I like black color. Uh, Almost every my clothes are black, because it makes me look like thinner than actual. But one of my friends said you look really gloomy, so now I'm trying to wear bright color. And I really want to make a experience a lot, as much as I can. So I worked factory and I worked department store. Yes, I sold the clothes to customers, and I came here, and I will experience a lot from now on. Yes, it's me. Thank you for listening.